walk one now. We out here. Walk one now. Out here. Out here with the teacher, one and only, Sunrise Boss. Hate that itch. You know, you outside. Wash up them things now. Yellow.
Before you come out, you reject that one, so just let me restart before we put everything. Fully caught up now, is it? You want to find out what I'm going on my phone now, so you don't know if I'm done, so I get done, so I get blind or something. So I make my days try to put in Wi-Fi for me. Because I don't know what I'm going with the Wi-Fi. Yeah, come like you want. And then my Wi-Fi settings are fixed.
Walk one now.
Just do that, just restart it. Four. Huh?
Your first go. Don't talk to them. Happy now, right? Right, something wrong.
I say, no, go and set your tone and tonight, but
Look if you want to go upgrade that iOS 16.
Oh yeah, that's it.
Look, go in
bro,
a general.
a long time is not there, bro.
Go in a general.
So you can do punch me and I
It not take long. I Wi-Fi strong. It lose a half, yeah, half an hour. Your peeps. Oh dear. Oh dear, do the right. Right there.
I close
Oh
store
dear, do the
4.
right thing.
But that could do something. I do keep in our five soon. That could shut down the things.